हॅलो सर, आवाजच नाही येते.
So first case study that we are going to study is your smart city street light and monitoring. Suppose smart city requires smart city street light controlling. So if this is street light number 1, this is street light number 2, 3, 4. So grouping of these 5 street lights are made together. So this is group number 1. Similarly, this is group number 2. So within suppose area of 5 kilometer, this is group number 1. Within area of 5 kilometer, this is group number 2. So these group numbers 1 and 2 are connected to the group coordinator. Okay, so this group coordinator will control these street lights. Okay, again similarly, group number 3, group number 4 will be there. Group number 5, group number 6 will be there. So all these street lights are connected in the groups, and that groups are connected to the group coordinator. And finally, all that groups are connected to the central command and control station, which is at central location. This, okay, so which is at the center of city, say suppose. So from this group station, you can control every street light, means turning on and off, as well as which lane to turn on, which lane to turn off. So all this controlling will be possible through the central command and control system. So the street lights are grouped together. The groups are formed. That groups are connected to group coordinators, and then finally these group coordinators are connected to the central command. And everything, every group and group coordinator are connected to the internet. Through internet, these commands and data is received to the central command, and commands are given to the central location, from central location to the street lights. Okay, so city street light can be controlled through smart embedded devices having sensing and computing power, which will communicate central coordinator and command station through internet. Here streetlights are grouped together having sensing and computing and communication circuit on each streetlight lamp post. प्रत्येक streetlight lamp post वर sensing devices असतील, computing and communication circuit devices पण असतील, जे त्या lamp post वर असणार आहे. Each group connected to a group controller or coordinator through Zigbee or Bluetooth. Through this, all these groups are, this group number 1, group number 2 are connected to group coordinator through Zigbee or Bluetooth devices. The station receives data of each street light from a group in specific period of intervals. This data may be about status of these street lights related to non-functional, faulty lights, nearby traffic condition, daylight, weather cloudy, dark, normal, and so on. So this information is collected by this group coordinator or controller. The station remotely programs the group controller to take appropriate action as per the condition of traffic light. It also sends data related to the faulty light and its location for remedial action. This way, each group of city street light is controlled through coordinator, controller, and command station through internet. So this group controller sends data to central command and control station and receives the commands from central command and control station through internet only. So all these devices are connected to each other through internet. So this diagram shows the concept of street light using IoT. Here lamppost hosts a street light wireless sensor network, actuator, and sensors. Sensors send messages about status of lamp, ambient light, and traffic. Actuator makes light on or off. When light is above threshold, then lights are switched on. The WSN means wireless sensor network sensors deployed detects the presence of traffic and its density. If traffic is not present, the lights are switched off. This saves the energy. Traffic density data is communicated to traffic signal monitoring services. The WSN trans receivers also accept data from other services such as Wi-Fi service, security device, traffic signaling service, and retransmit to the network of WSN and then to point access. So these are the major functions that are performed by the traffic signal only traffic signal. Okay, and that data is given to the group coordinator. and also receives command from group coordinator, and group coordinator transmits data to the command control and receives data from command control. So in this way the communication takes place. Each transceiver at lamppost receives and retransmits in real time only. Events, messages, alerts, triggers, notifications from a number of services can transmit for service such as smart parking, traffic signaling, waste management, weather monitoring, air pollution control services, security services for home, banks, and important public spaces, emergency services, and hospitals. So other than this, other than traffic signaling, other functions can be also performed by the lamppost. Okay, and that services are this that we are seeing over here. So the function of control and monitoring service for city street lights are measure the intensity of light and monitor street light, measure and monitor traffic parameter in real-time interval. Each WSN has program that configure and communicate with WSN network. The WSN network connects a coordinator controller which has data adaptation, store time, location, ID stamping, and gateway interface. Then communicate with WSN messages. These messages are transmitted at preset intervals to access points which are in turn connected to the coordinators. Coordinator generates and communicate alerts, triggers, messages, and data after aggregating, computing, processing, filtering, and compacting at data adaptation layer. The coordinator creates and uploads in real time a database which transfers to the cloud for processing and for cloud data store. The OTP module at cloud node provides OTP management and upload connectivity programs for gateways, runs and monitors at data adaptation layer for faulty or inaccessibly sensor at periodic intervals. The integrated data and activates the alerts and triggers. Cloud node provides platform for processes, analyze, and visualization of data and database information. The node provides analytics and AI for optimization, monitoring, and control function. The cloud platform could be Cisco IoT, IOX, Fog, Nimbits, TCUO, AWS, or Bluemix platform with Watson Analytics. So these are the major functions performed by the streetlight services. Means which are the networks that are available on your traffic light controller, like your WSN network. What cloud platform can be used by the streetlights, and what other functions that can be performed by the streetlights. Sometimes you can fit the camera over there. You can make the security and surveillance function. You can perform security surveillance function through that streetlights also. So various functions can be performed by using smart streetlight or smart traffic light controllers. So this is the first case study. Okay. So I hope it is clear.